Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Yeah, alright, this is video number 2 today. Alright, we getting them out. Anywho, we are knocking the shine off the natural nail using our Scarlet E-file from Melody Susie in a 180 grit sanding band that I got from Pana. And then we put them tips on. The tips we got from Amazon. No, I just lied. Y'all, the words is on the thing. The tips I got from Tulip Deal. This is a non-C curve coffin tip. The little clippers I got from Amazon. She wanted a medium set, so I'm trying to cut them down to medium. Yeah, there we go. Look at here. Alright, we're going to use this 80 grit hand file, and we're going to, taper it in a little bit. The shape we're going for is like a tapered square, not necessarily square, but tapered square. You feel me? Alright, and then we going to blend the natural nail and the tip together. Yeah, see, I ain't forget this video. You see how that works? When you consistent, you can't forget your words. I've been inconsistent, and I can't do anything but blame myself. And it's okay, because we're going to get back to it. All right. So, yeah, make sure your tip is meeting from sidewall to sidewall. That's kind of what I'm doing here. When I file it like that. Yep, Zersky vibes. Dust your clients off. That's all I got to say. Dust them off, bruh. Don't have them sitting there looking dusty. Sometimes I'll be having them looking dusty, but not a lot. Okay? Alright, so I'm going to knock the shine off of the tip as well. And initially I was going to do the other hand when I started recording, but I messed something up. So I ended up was like, I don't feel like explaining this through the camera, but whatever. So right now we're putting a thin layer of clear down on a natural nail. The primer we used was Young Nails. Yes, ma'am. The clear we're using gives me a secret. The brush is from Ideal Beauty. So, yes, thin layer. Take the top, bring it on down. And making sure we get clear all over the natural nail. Yeah, put that primer down. Natural nail, baby. Tame it. Bring it on down. All right, so boom. Here we go. We're going to start with this mauve pink that I got from Glam and Glitz. I probably spelled it wrong on the screen, but that's neither here nor there. It's Glam and Glitz. Okay, and it's a glow in the dark color. I don't know the name. I don't know the shade, but it's a mauve pink color, something cute for the fall. Something cute and girly at the same time. All right. Hold on, y'all. I got a cough. Hold on. I keep saying when I give me a second, like I'm gonna go somewhere. No, I just paused the dang on recording and then come back. Anywho, so we're gonna tame the top. Seal it, and we're gonna bring it on down. Keep that shape, baby. There we go. We're gonna recycle them beads if we can. Yep. Tame it. Bring it on down. All right, we will be trimming this nail with some gold foil. Yep, just like that. Yes, ma'am. You ever use something on someone's nail and they just kind of become obsessed with it? Like, oh yeah, let's use that again. Baby, we got some new stuff. Let's come on, let's do it. Let's do some new stuff. So, yeah, we gonna lay that down, then we gonna encapsulate with clear. I don't feel like I needed that thick layer of clear. However, it's done now. We're gonna tame the top. We're gonna bring it on down, making sure we encapsulate the whole entire nail. Yes, ma'am, the whole entire nail. The sides, too. Bring it on down, clean it up. Bring it on down and clean it up. One more in the middle. Yes, ma'am. Tame the top. Bring it on down. Feather it up. Bring it down. Yes, ma'am. it looks like I kind of just lost that whole bead. So I think I'm going to put another one right there in the center. It's going to be smaller, very direct. Tame it, tame it, tame it. Bring it on down, feather it up. Because we really want it to just stay where it's at. Yep, that's why I keep feathering it up, because I want it to stay where it's at. There we go. There we go. Push it in. There we go. Next nail. Ooh. As I always tell you guys, the glow in the dark powders seem to be more malleable or just looser. However you want to describe it, it's just looser. So yep, tame the top, bring it on down. Clean the sides. Keep that shape. You know the drill. You know the vibes. Bring it down. Clean off your brush. Tame the top. I'm sorry. Tame the top. Seal it around the cuticle. Seal it. Keep going around and tuck it tight. Bring it on down. I'm sorry, y'all. I got a cough. Hold on. Keep the shape. Clean it up. Don't forget that. We are not trimming this one. Tame the top. Seal it. Bring it on down. Yeah, I think it's because I'm laying down and I'm talking. I think that's what the issue is. Hold on, y'all. Hopefully I sound better. Okay, tame it. Bring it on down. You know the vibes. In the middle, tame it at top. Bring it on down. Feather it up. Blend it. Yes, ma'am. We should be done with this nail. We also will be doing 2 glitter nails because, you know, I love that glitter. But you do anything for the glitter. Tame the top. Bring it on down. Clean it up. Recycle the beads if you can. Push it up. Seal it. And bring it on down. Clean it up. Keep that shape. Trim it. We're going to trim this one. I had to continue cutting because it was a little thick, okay? I guess I could have cut this out. My bad. All right, trim it. And I don't necessarily want it to be in a straight line, but I do want it to actually trim the nail. So yeah, 1 bead. Tame the top. Bring it on down. See, my gold foil was moving a little bit. It did move a little bit, so I had to push it back in there. Keep the shape. Next bead. Tame the top. Push it in. Bring it on down. See, that's me pushing that gold foil back in there. Another bead. Yep, for the apex. Bring it down. I'm sorry, y'all. Time for the glitter. The glitter I got from Picasso Powders. I'm not sure what glitter the name of this glitter is, but it has pink and iridescent reflex in it. I did kind of want this to fade into clear. I didn't want it to be completely opaque, so yeah. It should have faded into clear, which it kind of did, which is why I take so much time on it, because I'm trying to get it to fade into clear. I don't want it to be opaque towards the bottom. Encapsulation. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Ski vibes. All right, next bead. Drain it. Put it on top. Tame the top. Seal it. 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 Seal Bring it on down, bring it on down. Keep the shape. Keep the shape, y'all. Keep that shape. And clean it up. One more bead. Pinky nail. Tang the top, tang the top. And consider that this is a glitter nail, and I just kind of want to fade it in the clear. I don't need that much, so I don't have to do a certain bead method. Ew. That's gross. All right, encapsulation. Drain it. Tang the top, tang the top, tang the top. Bring it on down, bring it on down, bring it on down, bring it on down. Feather it up so we keep the... We're going to keep the same structure throughout the nail. Bring it on down, clean it up. Keep the shape. One more bead. Yep. Clean it up. Tang the top, tang the top. Keeping it clean. Tang the top, tang the top, tang the top. Bring it on down, bring it on down. Bring it on down, bring it on down. Keep that shape, baby. Keep that shape, baby. Keep the shape of that. And we done. 80 grit hand file. Same one we used from earlier. And we gonna knock the dents about this nail. Yep, we gonna taper it in like we supposed to. Reshape the nail. Making sure we focus where the natural nail and the tip meet. Knock all the dips and divots out that nail. Application is pretty smooth. Application is really smooth, to be honest. Yep. Taper it in. Hit them corners. Yep. Here we go. Straighten that free edge off. Straighten it up. Hitting them corners. Okay. Looking good, looking nice. Yep. Because I always tell you guys that the acrylic tends to expand where the natural nail and the tip meet. So just making sure we taper that in some. Get that to look how we want it to look. Yes, ma'am. We're going to take our E-file and our sanding band one more time. We're going to go across the nail. We'll cut down some of that bulk around the cuticle. Get up in there. Tailor it in some more. I said tailor. I meant taper. Taper it in some more. Yep. Just like that. Yep. Bring it down. Go around. Seal it. Go around. Cut that bulk down, baby. I'm sorry, y'all. I know it always seems like I'm repeating myself, but that's what doing nails is. It's a repetitive thing, you know? And once you get your flow, it'll be a repetitive thing for you too. So yeah, like I said, cut that bulk around that cuticle, hit them corners, straighten out what you can, knock out some of them scratches from the hand file, and get some of that extra nail off from the bottom, clean up the bottom of them nails, and then let's seal the cuticle using our tapered bit from Panna. And all the things that I got from Panna, I ordered from Amazon, just so y'all know that. Seal them cuticles, go around. Look at my head not being in the way. We can appreciate this, right? I think we should be able to there go my glasses, but we should be able to appreciate that my head's not in the way. And my head's not in the way because I'm not on my travel nail station. So my travel nail station is really small, so that's kind of why my head be in the way. And I'll be trying to get good angles for you guys. Close angles. All right, boom, dust your clients off. Don't forget to dust your clients off, okay? Don't forget to get the stuff from up under the nail. Don't forget to do that. All right, so we finna ice these nails out a little bit. I'm doing a double halo around one nail on each hand, and then I'm going to do a really fancy stone placement on one finger. I'm gonna do a single halo on one finger and one stone on the glitter nails at the cuticle. Yes, ma'am, yes, Rescue Vibe. All the stones I got from Amazon. This glue is the McCart Rhinestone glue. I love this stuff. A lot of people don't like it, but you know, hey, you literally have to find what works for you. I know that the Zule nail adhesive does work. However, it only works out of a certain tube like that. They have a plastic tube. I prefer that than the nail bottle jar. Every time I get the nail bottle jar, it gets stuck. There's literally nothing I can do about that. So yeah. And all my stone placements are always what do you call it? Random. Never thought out, never planned. But look at the quality of them these cheap Amazon stones. Look at the quality. Look at the quality. Okay? Alright. Other hand. We gonna do this nail turned out to look like the half of a butterfly, so it was really cute to me. I thought that was really cute. Like I said, it's random. I don't even be knowing what I be doing, to be honest. I just be throwing it on there. It fit, don't it? Good. As long as it fit on there, we be alright. It literally turned out to look like half of a butterfly. I thought that was so cute. We're gonna do a double halo on this finger. I don't have any nails on my fingers because I wore some press-ons, y'all. And I recorded them, but I didn't finish recording them because I was in a rush because I was actually making them for an event. So I didn't finish recording them, so my bad, y'all. But like I said, one stone on these nails and a single halo on this finger. But like I was saying about the press-ons, they were on for 2 weeks and I couldn't get them off. Like I was peeling them off, biting them off, putting cuticle oil under them, and they were still not coming off. And I was so like, bruh, come on, bruh. All right, put it in. Okay, cute, real cute. I don't know why I just didn't do all this together. Wasting time. That was too much glue. But we gonna clean some of it up, of course. Look at the shape of that nail. It just looks so good. It looks so good. It looks so pretty. Alright, I'm only going to show you guys top coating 2 of the nails. And as you can see, the top coat is always Beetles, bitch. Don't ever get it twisted. It's always going to be Beetles. I mean, in one of my videos, you're going to see another one. But we ain't going to worry about that one because I always come back to Beetles because that's the one I like. But you're only going to see me top coating 2 of the nails. I would say my camera died, but I'm lying. I stopped the recording. I don't know what happened, why I stopped it. But here's the finished product. You guys like, comment, subscribe. Bye.